F/AXX is a development and acquisition program for a future 6th-generation air superiority fighter to replace the United States Navy's F/A-18 E/F Super Hornet and complement the F-35C, beginning in the 2030s. A requirement was first identified in June 2008. The F/AXX is expected to be the fighter component and centerpiece of the Navy's next-generation air dominance (NGAD) family of systems. Although identically named, this program is distinct from the U.S. Air Force's next-generation air dominance program. Thanks to advances made in combat aircraft, the U.S. Air Force and Navy are leading the way with 6th-generation fighter jets. This jet is not only effective in combat, but also looks sleek and streamlined. If you're interested in learning more about this amazing jet, be sure to watch this video. Requirements. In April 2012, the Navy issued a formal request for information for the F/AXX. It calls for an air superiority fighter with multi-role capabilities to initially complement and eventually supersede the F/A-18 E/F Super Hornet and EA-18G Growler aircraft in the 2030s, while complementing the F-35C Lightning II and UCLASS unmanned aircraft that can operate in anti-access/area denial environments. Primary missions include air combat, air-to-air, ground attack, surface warfare, and close air support. The F/AXX is being pursued as F/A-18 Super Hornets will reach the end of their 9,000 hours of service life by the early 2030s. Aside from the option of buying more F-35CS, the F/AXX is seeking to create a new aircraft to replace the Super Hornet's capability and mission set. Just as the F-35C will replace aging F/A-18 Hornets and complement Super Hornets, the F/AXX will replace aging Super Hornets in the 2030s and complement the F-35C. Maximum connectivity and sensors. Although the F/AXX platform will be a 6th-generation fighter aircraft, the Navy is reluctant to talk about a new aircraft because the project is still in the very early stages of development. A range of next-generation technologies may be explored, including maximum sensor connectivity and electronically configured smart skins. Open architecture. An open architecture design is desired so that different sensors, payloads, and weapons can be plugged in for a specific mission and be able to be moved around for multiple different missions on different days or different sorties. The resulting open architecture design is likely to take shape depending on which style of new propulsion system is presented by the aircraft industry. Propulsion. The Navy is working with the U.S. Air Force on a next-generation tactical fighter with super cruise ability. And there is significant disagreement over the Air Force's claims that adaptive cycle jet engine technology, where the ratios of bypass and compression airflow can be made variable to improve efficiency, can be scaled to benefit a carrier-based fighter. A new spectrum of weapons. Chief of Naval Operations Jonathan Greenert speculated in February 2015 that the F/AXX would not rely primarily on speed or stealth as much as previous generation jet fighters due to better signature detection and proliferating high-speed anti-aircraft weapons.